thoughts. No? So this is the third day of the pre-trial conference. So I think what we can expect is both the defense and the prosecution naman for trying to expedite. Ibig sabihin po nun, sinusubukan natin talagang matapos na lalong madaling panahon itong nagiging remarking. We're working on it together. So hopefully naman po, no, maganda yung takbo. At naging order niyo naman na po ang takbo since last Thursday pa, nung first day of yung try. So we're very hopeful na matapos natin to. But again, sa dami ng dokumento, which is normal for a case such as this. In-expect natin baka hindi tayo matapos ngayong araw, baka umabot bukas or even Thursday, which is the original schedule naman po of the pre-trial conference. So, tingnan lang po natin, mamaya po, ako bibigay pa kami ng paragdagang update sa inyo kung nasa na tayo. Documents naman po nila ay sa kanila, itong documents namin is sa amin. So, sa amin, because it's being very careful that to be do things. This is really the way we do things naman. We want our own documents if you want, kahit na similar documents. Ito rin po kasi yung mga dokumento na gagamitin natin during the course of the trial. So, yun naman po ay napag-usapan na naintindihan naman ng bakuan. Unang-una sa lahat, wala po sa tingin ko po sa aming pananaw, hindi naman po tama yung terminology na mirroring or adopting because you know, you were here that day. Halos sabay po kami nag-submit ng pre-trial brief. Nasa bawat panic naman po yun kung sinong witnesses at anong mga dokumento ang iprepresenta. Ngayon, pagdating doon, if they file such a request, motion, manifestation, the defense is ready to respond accordingly. It's for the orderly conduct of the trial po. Ito pong marking kasi ng mga pieces of documentary evidence. Ito po ay for identification purposes. Meaning, ibig sabihin po nun, minamarkahan natin siya para pagdating ng trial, ang mangyayari na lang po ay we will refer to these documents as Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, para naman po, kaya siya crucial kasi parang smooth yung ating trial. Ginagawa ito hindi lang naman po dito sa impeachment court, pati na rin po sa regular court. So, ginagawa po talaga. Kaya sanay naman po yung mga abogado natin. So, whatever legal strategy it is, and I'm sure you can understand it, we will not disclose a legal strategy. But again, it is a prerogative of either the defense or the prosecution to choose the witnesses and the pieces of documents that they will, or pieces of evidence that they will be presenting. So really, I don't see the issue in that. But again, if they are willing to file a manifestation, tayo po na-respect natin sila, but we will also respond accordingly. No? Because we keep on harping on this issue when in fact, sabay naman pong nagbigay ng pre-trial brief and it's well within the prerogative of each party to identify and present the witnesses that they would like to present.